Today we will learn about how to install WordPress in cPanel via Softaculous. For that, log into your cPanel account and go to Softaculous. Softaculous is a one-click installer application for WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, etc. Go ahead and click on the install button to install WordPress. Further, it will ask you for various details. Just enter all the information that is required to install WordPress. Finally, select the WordPress theme that you would like to choose and then click on the install button. Within few minutes, your installation will be completed. After that, you can go to the WP admin page to go with the WordPress admin panel.